Namaste. Today I am going to express my views on ashram system based on Vedic doctrine. Ashram system is one of the important characteristics of Vedic culture. Human life has been divided into four parts for its proper management. Now look at ashramas. From birth to 25 year of age is Brahmacharya ashram. 25 years to 50 year is called Grihastha ashram. From 50 and up to 75 is Vanaprastha ashram. And from 75 to 100 years of age is called Sannyas ashram. Now Brahmacharya ashram. It is important like the foundation of a building. The stronger the foundation, the better it is. In the same way, if Brahmacharya ashram is utilized properly, the next three ashrama will go smoothly. Children learn good behavior and values, earn knowledge and skill to face the challenges of next three ashramas. Therefore, it is duty of parents to get their children educated and skilled. माता शत्रु पिता वैरी येन बालो न पाठिता न शोभते सभा मध्ये हंस मध्ये वको यथा. All are Sudras by birth and attain the skill to become Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya or remain Sudra. Manusmriti tells us the process of making Brahman. स्वाध्यायेन व्रतै होमै त्रैविद्येन इजयासुतै महायज्ञश्च यज्ञश्च ब्राह्मणीयम क्रियते तनु. That means the study and teaching of all true sciences, observance of the vows to brahmacharya and truthfulness, performance of homa, dissemination of true knowledge, leading a virtuous life, performance of 5 great daily duties. These are things go to make a Brahmin. In other words, his mind ought to be repository to Vedic learning and devotion to God. It has been said in Atharvaveda that Brahmacharyena kanya yuvanam vindate patim. That means, like boys, girls should also remain celibacy and acquire knowledge and skill. It has been said in Manusmriti, Sarveshameva dananam brahmadanam visheshyate. That means the gift of the knowledge of Veda is the best gift. Now, as Grihastha ashram. Grihastha ashram is very important as this ashrama supports the responsibility of clothes, food, shelter, etc. of other three ashramas. They look after their children who are in Brahmacharya ashram, their own parents who are in Vanaprastha ashram, saint seers who spread knowledge and dharma. Besides this, they give charity to social, religious and national welfare organizations. Manusmriti say, यथा नदी नदा सर्वे सागरे यान्ति संस्थितिं तथैवाश्रमिणः सर्वे गृहस्थे यान्ति संस्थितिं. Now, Vanaprastha ashram. When offsprings are matured enough to sustain the responsibilities of home, then the person should enter the Vanaprastha ashram. Vanaprasthi live in forest and he may live at home, but they should not take interest in home affairs. They should keep on doing Agnihotra and studies. It is said in Manusmriti, अग्निहोत्रम समादाय गृह्यं चाग्नि परिच्छदम ग्रामारण्यम निःसृत्य निवसेन यतेन्द्रिय. Now, sannyas ashram. There are three ways of entering sannyas ashram. The first is the consecutive order, that is, the passing through the first three stages successfully. The second is that of becoming a sannyasi from grihasth. And the third alternative is that of entering sannyas ashram directly from brahmacharya ashram. But the person should be free from all sensual desires and imbued with extreme desire for doing public good. A sannyasi has to leave everything that he or she has in the past. Even his her name is changed. Naren Dutt became Swami Vivekanand. Mool Shankar became Maharshi Dayanand. Munshi Ram became Swami Shraddhanand. Sannyasi isn't afraid of losing any worldly things. Therefore, they spread dharma, vidya, and justice impartially. These days, cases are pending in courts in millions. Corruption and adharma are seen everywhere. Babas and kathavachak are indulged in worldly pleasures. They are unable to uplift dharma. Only sannyasi can bring the glory of India back. Manusmriti says about sannyasi. Indriyanam nirodhena ragadvesh chayena cha ahinsaya cha bhutanam amritattvaya kalpate. That means let him restrain from senses from wicked pursuit. Renounce affection and hatred. Bear no malice to any living creature and work for immortality. Thanks for listening. If you like, then share it. Thank you.